Hello guys, my name is Barbara Carranza and I'm going to show you today how you tweeze your eyebrows with my lovely precision brow tweezer. First of all, what you're going to see here is how the shape is, which is very ergonomic. You can see here it's very pointy, very sharp, and it's angled. And that means that this is going to be aligned to your eyebrow, so it's going to be even easier to do the tweezing and it's going to be faster. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to tweeze my eyebrows, aligning the tweezer with the shape of my eyebrows. So I'm going to align, sorry for that, because the mirror, the no glasses, I have to do this. I'm going to start below, so you can see I left a few hairs so you can see what I'm grabbing. These are super sharp. So I'm aligning here, you can see. In fact, I have a little bit of makeup in my eyebrow. So if you want to do that, you create your own shape and then just follow as I'm following. You can see here on below my eyebrow and just taking everything that is under that line. Here also, just taking a little bit of the brush. And you can see I'm going to stretch a little bit the skin. So these ones are not actually dangerous to tweeze, because they are under the brow shape. But the ones that are closer to the shape is aligning what it matters here. You can see here I'm aligning, don't have too many hairs there. So you can see how precise the tweezer is, how sharp it is. And for example, now I'm going to go on the top. So I'm aligning the tweezer again to the top of the brow. Don't have too many hairs, but you can see just by aligning, even the smallest hair comes out, or the stubborn hair. So very precise, very sharp. It's a little bit hard without glasses, but I have a very powerful mirror. So as well, you can grab your tweezer like this and get into this part of your brow here. So I don't have too many hairs here, but I can clean it. And these ones here, you can see here. So just to point, you can also do like this, or you can turn it around like that and be more precise with one hair only. So pretty much I'm grabbing as much as I can to make it faster. And I'm just going to show you here as well. I have a few hairs here, you see. So I'm going to align the tweezer like this. You can see, just like this. So my eyebrow is sharp. And as you can see, it's very easy to take them out. And the only thing that you need to do is kind of every time you twist 3 or 4 hairs, give it a clean and start again. Let's see where. Okay, here I have something that is really close to the brow shape. So I'm just aligning my tweezer and also to the top and just clean it a little bit. And these ones that in my mirror appear like big hairs. The key to this is as well, grab 3, 4 and clean it. If you see these ones that are above, also you can clean, you clean however your eyebrow is. This tweezer take any hair, the much stubborn, few hairs at a time. I think I'm okay now. I mean, I still need the glasses to see better, but here I have. This is my new color. It comes here like in a very nice tube, and is this like a golden orange. And I have also a pink and a black color. And I have the silver color, and you can get them at barbaracarranza.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and hope this has been helpful. And see you guys. No, por Dios, qué loca.